Hi, welcome to AccountingExL. This is a tutorial on how the prepaid reconciliation works. The prepaid reconciliation is available at AccountingExL.com in the store. So let's just go ahead and get started. The prepaid reconciliation is just one tab. It's very easy. The first thing I suggest that you do is get your prepaid reconciliation moved over to your AccountingExL file or workbook. You don't have to do this, but I suggest that you do it. It makes it everything in one place and makes it a little easier, I think. So to do that, you just right click on the tab, select move or copy, and then you want to select create a copy. And from your drop down, you can select your AccountingExL workbook, and then you want to click move to end. And you can see here that it puts it into your workbook. So you have your journal tab, your trial balance tab, account detail tab, list tab, and then the account or the tab you just added, prepaid expense. So let's get started here on the journal tab. So what I did is, if you haven't seen the tutorial for AccountingExL, I suggest that you go check that out real quick. A lot of the transactions that are on here were populated from that tutorial. The transactions that I am populating for this tutorial are highlighted here on 531. You can see that we paid $10,000 of liability insurance that covers June 1st, 2015 through May 31st, 2016. We also paid $8,600 of auto insurance, and that covers the period from June 1st, 2015 through November 30th, 2015. And you can see here I've recorded prepaid expense. And so what we want to do is add this to our prepaid expense reconciliation. So to do that, you click on the prepaid expense reconciliation tab, and then you can populate this with your vendor. So our vendor for the first one was liability insurance company, and then the vendor for the second one's auto insurance company. So go ahead and put those in. Liability insurance company, auto insurance company. And then you can add a description. So this is liability insurance, liability or auto insurance. You can put your invoice date in there. So whatever your date was. So in this case, we'll put 5/31/15. 5/31. Then you put your amounts. So 10,000 and 8,600. Coverage beginning. So and here you put in your beginning date. So 6/1/15. 6/1/15. Here's your ending date. Oops. Go to your ending date. So that's going to be 5/31/16, and this is 11/30/15. And then here you can populate the expense account that you want it to go to. So in our case, what I've done is I've created an account called liability insurance expense and auto insurance expense. So you want to populate that with those two. So liability insurance expense, auto insurance expense. And this just lets you know what account you want to post it to. Okay. And then the months covered, so this is 12 as it goes through 5/31. This is 6 months. And then what that does is that kind of creates your monthly expense. So whenever you go to record, you'll record this. So you want to record one transaction for liability insurance expense, one transaction for auto insurance expense. So to do that, you come here to the journal, put in our dates, 6/30. Then you put your amounts in here, 833.33. $833.33, and our other amount was $1433.33. And here you want to select your expense. Auto insurance, and then here you can put in prepaid expenses. Okay, and then you want to update this. Fresh, that updates it. Update this, and so here you're on your trial balance 16,333.34. That's what you want to enter here. 16,333.34. That's the amount that you're reconciling to. And then here you want to put the number of months that you expensed. And you can see here there's a small rounding difference from the formulas. So that's pretty much how you use the prepaid expense reconciliation. I hope that you found this helpful. And if you have time, you can go take a look at the other tutorials and the other videos. I think you'll find them helpful. Take a look at the store, see what else is in there. I think you'll find it helpful. Thank you very much.